श्री भगवान सत्य साई बाबाय नमः।
मानस भजो रे गुरु चरणम, दुष्टर भव सागर तरणम।
मानस भज रे गुरु चरणम, दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम।
मानस भजो रे गुरु चरणम, दुष्टर भव सागर तरणम।
मानस भज रे गुरु चरणम, दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम।
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय,
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय,
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय,
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय।
साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय,
साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय,
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय,
साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय।
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमो।
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः।
अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणा शिवा।
अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुण शिवो।
ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओम नमो बाबा।
ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओम नमो बाबा।
मानस भजो रे गुरु चरणम, दुष्टर भव सागर तरणम।
मानस भज रे गुरु चरणम, दुस्तर भव सागर तरणम।
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय,
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय,
साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय,
सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय।
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमो।
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवाय नमः।
अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुण शिवो।
अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुणाचल शिवा, अरुण शिवो।
ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओम नमो बाबा।
ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओंकारं भव, ओम नमो बाबा।
ओम नमो बाबा।
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके, शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी, नारायणी नमस्तुते। नारायणी नमस्तुते, नारायणी स्तुते जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
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 अम्बा भवानी माता अम्बा भवानी माता अम्बा भवानी माता अम्बा भवानी माता जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
हाथ जोड़ कर सुनो मेरी पूजा ले लो मेरा प्रणाम हाथ जोड़ कर सुनो मेरी पूजा ले लो मेरा प्रणाम ले लो मेरा प्रणाम ले लो मेरा प्रणाम जय जगदीश्वरी त्रिशूलधारिणी माता
जय जगदीश्वरी त्रिशूलधारिणी माता
त्रिशूलधारिणी माता त्रिशूलधारिणी माता त्रिशूलधारिणी माता त्रिशूलधारिणी माता जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
करुणा सागर सुनो मेरी पूजा ले लो मेरा प्रणाम करुणा सागर सुनो मेरी पूजा ले लो मेरा प्रणाम ले लो मेरा प्रणाम ले लो मेरा प्रणाम जगत पालनी जय जग जननी माता जगत पालनी जय जग जननी माता 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 जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
जय जय देवी अम्बा भवानी माता
अम्बा भवानी माता अम्बा भवानी
At this point, I lovingly welcome to address us today on this occasion of the declaration of Avatar Declaration 20th of October 2020, the president of our organization, Sister Vinti Mohip, who will share with us a little bit about the history of that banyan tree and how this initiative came about which we inaugurate today, the meditation area here at our headquarters, Sairam.
Loving Sairam to all. You know, in the past, I would look at the Sinai Lime like this and feel sad because why aren't people coming to the Sinai Lime? Now we have to just select who we ask to come to the Sinai Lime because of the situation that we are in. But I am not sad because you have come because you are special. Everyone is special, but you have come because you are special. So today is Avatar Declaration Day, October 2020, October 20th. And I lovingly prostrate at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba and offer my respectful salutations on this auspicious day of Avatar Declaration Day. Swami, we earnestly pray that we may receive your boundless grace and blessings as we know that your protection is the salvation of the world. Deputy Central Coordinator of the West Indies, Brother Faiz Mohammed, all members of Central Council, including my female Vice President. Happy birthday to you, dear Anuradhan. So nice of you to come and share this day with us. Our specially invited guest, Swami Prakashananda, Spiritual Head of the Chinmaya Mission, TT, all other invited guests, dear devotees, loving Sai Ram. The declaration of Avatar marks a new dawn for the earth and a new era for the universe. For the human race, it is a beacon of hope, a gentle shower of love, a great gift of peace, a radiant truth, and a lamp of dharma. When the divine comes down as Avatar, it is only for one purpose. You may recognize only the momentary results of the advent, but you should note that the divine comes as Avatar only to teach mankind the truth about unconditional love. The Satya Sai International Organization observes this day yearly as Avatar Declaration Day to remember, to reflect, and to assimilate the teachings of Satya Sai Baba, which is in essence to love all, serve all. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba was a Purna avatar. He was special. In our own humble way, we are also avatars, yet we have not recognized the divinity within every one of us because we have not allowed that divinity to flow incessantly. We are not aware of the divinity within. Why? Because we are always focused on the external. We never make that inward journey. We never make a breakthrough, and hence we have no concept of the divinity within, though it is there. It is to teach humanity the way of love that avatars come into the world. The world displays the diversity that has emanated from the One. The divine demonstrates the unity that subsumes the diversity. Recognition of this unity and diversity can be learned only from the divine. The avatar, unlike all of us, is aware of that divinity. That is why Bhagwan always says, and I quote, "I am inscrutable. Whatever I will happens. I can transmute earth into sky and the sky back into earth. Nothing can come in my way," unquote. This assertion is because of the awareness of total divinity in depth and in full. That is Purna Avatar, who is whole and total. Swami chose us to be part of this incarnation as we have the strength and courage to become spiritual beings to work and change what is happening on the planet. We are the points, the nerve endings of God in the planet, and we must ensure the divine energy flows from us to the world. In different ways, we are instruments in Swami's planetary mission of raising the consciousness of all beings. The avatar came to give us hope, to give us the promise of bliss, of immortality, of truth, of peace, and to open a golden chapter. This triple incarnation, which will span approximately 270 years, will fulfill the avataric role of unifying, integrating, spiritualizing, enlightening, transforming and elevating man to the level of divinity and usher in the golden age of mankind. This golden chapter will make you live in hope. It will never allow you to be frustrated. Golden age means we must have golden heart, golden attitudes, golden temperaments, golden behavior, the golden interrelationships, and the golden fraternity. All that is best and ideal in life is golden. Don't we all want gold? Don't we all want what is golden? Swami says, and I quote, "Do not try to understand me, experience me." Understanding, explaining, clarifying, all these have to do with the mind. The amazing thing to note is that divinity is not accessible to the mind. It transcends the mind. In fact, we should say that it is beyond the reach of language and thought, but directly accessible through experience. In order to commemorate Avatar Declaration Day this year, Satya Sai Baba Organization of Trinidad and Tobago has decided to inaugurate as a spiritual portal the auspicious, beautiful banyan tree on our compound, which started as a tiny stem in 2014 and which came from the meditation tree in Prashanti Nilayam. We are indeed grateful to you, Swami Prakashananda, for kindly consenting to be here for this initiation. You were highly recommended for this process. Kindly permit me to play a short recording from my dear brother Abhimanyu Kaur, who was instrumental in planting this stem that became a tree.
Yes, that tree was planted. I think Bhagwan gave this inspiration to bring a stem from the real vriksha, that Vata vriksha from Puttaparthi, meditation tree, and it was taken to Toronto, and then I took one branch, I brought it to Trinidad. At his grace, he had inspired that we should have one in Trinidad too. It was a time when we were building the school in Trinidad, and somehow this thought also came that if the same tree can be planted there, it will be a good inspiration. So I think I spoke to a couple of people. I spoke to Uncle Gautam, and Devesh was obviously instrumental in doing things, and I believe there were quite a lot of people who were involved there that time, and I'm sure pictures must be taken because we did a good ceremony for it. It was planted with proper chanting. We did a lot of little bit of customary prayers we did, and we planted it with a prayer that let it grow. And because my feeling was that the energy, the vibrations which Bhagwan had used to plant that, it should spread. I don't know why this thought was there in our head that let it go in different parts of the world. The tree had grown very well, and actually I was remembering the tree recently, thinking how it has become. So I'm so happy to hear that it is turning out to be a good site now as a meditation site for Trinidad. That will be excellent. Saira.
So that was Brother Abhimanyu, and he is the one who came and actually planted a stem that grew into a beautiful tree. And earlier this year, I kept thinking, we need to do something. This tree is so beautiful. We need to do something around it. And the thought kept coming to my mind all the time. And, I shared this thought with a few people I know. And I shared this thought with someone very special who decided to come on board and help me do the work around the tree. But before I introduce that person, Baba gave an account of mystic yantras over which such trees grow. Yantras which keep out evil forces and stimulate spiritual impulses and help concentration. He said, yogis, wherever they are, when they reach a certain stage of sadhana, will know of this congenial spot and hurry hither to be benefited by this mystic potency. Baba is therefore indicated by this name as we chanted, number 97 in the 108 names, Om Sri Sai Sadhaka Anugraha Vatavriksha Pratishtha Pakaya Namaha. He who is the Pratishtapaka, the person who planted firmly the Vatavriksha, the banyan tree, as an anugraha or boon to the sadhakas. So Baba has fulfilled our wish by sending this plant to Trinidad. And he always says, there is an island in the Caribbean that is the jewel of my eye, and that is Trinidad. So Baba is here with us. He's in our hearts, and he is in our surroundings, and he will be out there too. And that is why we need to sanctify this compound at all times. The Avatar Declaration Day is a good opportunity to present to the Avatar our flower blossoms of gratitude for being his contemporaries. Let us bathe with tears of joy our Swami, who has always protected, nourished, and cared for us. Let us pray to Sai to make our lives meaningful by rededicating ourselves to fully understand and implement his message. I'd now like to ask Sister Radha Ramlagan to come and share a little bit with us.
Sai Ram, Hari Om. I offer my most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Lord, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. I wish to first thank the President of the SSIO Trinidad and Tobago for allowing me the opportunity to once again serve in a very simple way on his sacred grounds. Thank you, President, and thank you to all the members of the SSIO. This project came about through a phone call. I'm standing here to share my little journey in the project with the President and how it all went. It's about a banyan tree which is situated just outside in the center of the lawn area. And the banyan tree was planted, as the President said. And she phoned me up one Sunday, midday. I was having lunch. And when I took the call, she told me about her idea and her dream, actually, her vision, to have a seating area under the meditation tree, because you need to be there to really benefit from the tree by being in close contact or under the tree. It's how it's really done. So I said, that's a beautiful project, and I do love nature and gardening. And I said, well, President, and I asked her permission if I could be part of this project, and she said gladly yes. So I was surprised and happy at the same time. And this is about 3 weeks ago only. She said there is a deadline date. And the President gave me today, which is 3 weeks ago. So I said, all right, well, let's do this. So the Monday morning I woke up and I called her up again and I said, President, can we get some professional help? Because this is a little bit technical and we have a deadline which is not very far away. And she said, yes, go right ahead. with her permission, I went forth and I phoned up one or two landscaping company. And the company who my family normally works with, they weren't able to meet our deadline. And then I phoned up another company, and the guy was saying, well, it was a plant shop. And he said, well, they don't do that sort of work. But you know, strangely enough, a girl walked in here not long ago, and she gave him a phone number, and here it is. So I called her up. But the thing about it is, the night of the Sunday when the president and I agreed we're going to do this project, that night, Swami came in my dreams, and that's what she wanted me to share with you all. And Swami came not clothed in the orange which we know him. He came dressed in the white like our guys, in the pants and the shirt. And he allowed me to take Padnamaskar, and I did, and that's how the project started. On the journey of the project with Swami, it's always very interesting. And there was another dream which came last Monday, which he asked me to also share. So we were doing the tree, and we had to excavate. The tree was done, I did a little bit of research, whatever Google gave me, in that this tree is still a baby. It's only planted in 2014, and these trees grow over 100 years. So this is beautiful, we have this here with us. So in discussing with the landscaper, and so if you notice when you go under the tree, we kept a little way from the root and we put the soil, and so giving the tree allowance to grow and expand and not constricting, because that root, if you research, grows on and on and on. And well, this is what Google said. But then I had another dream, and the message in that dream was that first I saw a very ancient man, and he spoke to me, and he said, he blessed, and he said, this tree is what he described as a council area where council meets on the tree, which is not a physical council as in human beings as such, but beings, universal beings, angelic beings from the heavenly realms. This is an area where they will meet as their council, and they were very happy about the project, and they thanked me, and they said they were very, very thrilled about the tree and that it was here, and they gave a lot of blessings, and that it is universal, so it goes beyond form and person and land and earth and everything, because it's not just about planet Earth or here in Trinidad or the Sinai, but it's much, much more than we may even be able to understand. So the president just asked me to share this message because it's for all to share. And thank you very much, Sairam.
Sai Brahma, Sai Vishnu, Sai Parvati, Shankar.
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 Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Lakshmi,
Shankar.
तू मौला, तू बुधा, तू महावीर।
तू अल्लाह, तू मौला, तू बुधा, तू महावीर।
तू मौला, तू बुधा, तू महावीर।
तू अल्लाह, तू मौला, तू बुधा, तू महावीर।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
साई ब्रह्मा, साई विष्णु, साई पार्वती शंकर।
साई ब्रह्मा, साई विष्णु, साई पार्वती शंकर।
साई राम, साई श्याम, साई लक्ष्मी नारायण।
साई राम, साई श्याम, साई लक्ष्मी नारायण।
साई ब्रह्मा, साई विष्णु, साई पार्वती शंकर।
साई ब्रह्मा, साई विष्णु, साई पार्वती शंकर।
तू अल्लाह, तू मौला, तू बुधा, तू महावीर।
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 तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
तू ही मंदिर, तू ही मस्जिद, तू ही गिरिजा, तुम सब हो।
साई ब्रह्मा, साई विष्णु, साई पार्वती शंकर।
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
My life is my message, expansion is my life.
My life is my message, expansion is my
My
life.
life is my message, expansion is my life.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death.
साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा दीन दयाला संकटहारा दीन दयाला संकटहारा दीन दयाला संकटहारा दीन दयाला संकटहारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु साई महेश्वरा साई महेश्वरा साई महेश्वरा साई अवतारा युगावतारा सत्य साई प्रेम साई सब धर्मों के बाबा साई सब धर्मों के बाबा साई साई परमेश्वरा साई परमेश्वरा साई परमेश्वरा साई परमेश्वरा साई अवतारा युगावतारा अवतारा युगावतारा साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु साई महेश्वरा साई महेश्वरा साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई प्रेम साई
सत्य साई प्रेम साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई अवतारा युग अवतारा
Thank you, Madam President and Sister Radha, for sharing those sentiments with us. Sisters and brothers, Bhagwan has said to us, not a blade of grass can move without his will. And after hearing the history which has led to this moment, where we inaugurate the banyan tree at the focal point of our meditation site here at our headquarters, this most definitely, we can say, has been divinely orchestrated. Today, as we know, we have the honor of having in our presence Swami Prakashananda, who is the spiritual head of the Chinmaya Mission. Swami, we are grateful to you for being here today and for performing the respective ceremony for this type of initiation. And so I respectfully now welcome you to the podium to address us on this auspicious occasion and to speak to our hearts this evening. Jai Sai Ram.
Let me just take the opportunity to draw on two very important words which Sister Vinti Mohip used. And one word is sadhana. And of course, the one who performs the sadhana is called as a sadhaka. And a second word, idea which she related to all of us is about the one reality which is behind the universe, from which has emanated the diversity which we all experience. And the realization of that one reality is called in the language of India as mukti or moksha, enlightenment. And I want to tell you that everything which has come out of India, everything which was born in India and which is disseminated to the world, to humanity, everywhere, can be summed up in these two words. Please see how simply this nation has given these ideas to the world. One word is sadhana, and the other word is mukti. And there is really nothing else that India has to give to the world. But the vastness of the two words is what is phenomenal. All what you all are doing, what we are doing, and what we are engaged in is really sadhana. When Radha spoke about taking up the project, it is called a seva. Seva is a sadhana. Singing bhajan is a sadhana. Japa is a sadhana. In Trinidad, you will see all types of sadhana. When your grandfather, your grandmother gets up in the morning and takes a lota of jal and offers it to Surya Bhagwan, to the sun, it's a sadhana. You see? So, sadhanas, spiritual practices, if you want to translate in English, spiritual practices are countless. And it is a wonderful thing. It is like buffet style. You know, in a buffet, all the food is lined up there. You walk down that and you take whatever you like. So, sadhana is like that. You see the whole array of sadhana and you take that one which you like. See? When you come to a Sai session like this, Not everybody is a good bhajan singer. We have excellent bhajan singers who sit in the front row and who have mics waiting. And then you have people like me. So, not everybody could sing bhajan, But this singing of bhajan is a sadhana which they have taken up and they have been doing for lifetimes. And so you become an excellent bhajan singer. And with bhav, we sing for Bhagwan. So there's one, and like that, you will like that. But another person will like to sit down and do japa. Another person would like to sit down and do swadhyaya of the Taittiriya Upanishad, self-study. But all of it is somewhere along that path to mukti. So these are the only two things, sadhana and mukti. Now I want to tell you, there is a very famous Bodhi tree in Bihar. And every year, they have millions of visitors from all over the world to see this Bodhi tree. It is the tree under which the great enlightened one, the Buddha, attained enlightenment. Right? And I commend this committee and the Sai organization for initiating this very momentous and historical event of sanctifying and laying down the rituals for this sacred tree. But I want to tell you that there is two aspects to this. And one is the sadhana of doing the seva of putting down the tree. Right? That is one sadhana. But there is also a sadhana called as meditation, which you all are calling it. And that meditation is in the traditions of India, all the sampradayas of India. They called as the highest sadhana that anybody can engage in. In the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says a very nice thing. And I tell you in 2 verses, he lays out the sadhana of meditation. He says, Shanaihi uparamet buddhya dhriti grihitaya. Slowly, with a very strong and clear and powerful buddhi, intellect, we draw the mind. Shanaihi uparamet buddhya dhriti grihitaya. Atma samstham manakritva. Placing that mind in the Atma, let it dissolve in the Atma, in the self, nakinchidapi chintayet. And thereafter, don't think of anything else. So what he is laying out in the 6th chapter here is really the sadhana of mukti, letting the mind dissolve in the Atma. Not, as Sister Vinti rightly said, and so wonderfully said, that not that the mind is trying to understand the Atma, the mind cannot. It is like a cube of ice trying to understand the ocean. The cube of ice could just drop in the ocean and melt away. So it is not about understanding the Atma, self, the higher reality, the one reality behind the universe. It is about dissolving the mind and not letting the mind come and engage in all the ephemeral worldly things. And in the next verse he says, you will have problems with that. Because who can do it? Are look here, you know that when you sit to meditate, what happens to your mind? That time only your mind thinks about Devi, Vaigani and doubles. Isn't it? You plan to meditate on a Sunday morning and you're strong about your sadhana and all that. But that time only the mind goes everywhere. So, yato nischarati, from wherever the mind has gone. In the next verse it says, because he knows it will go. Yato nischarati, manaschanchala mastiram, tatastato niyam yaitat. You can see from my actions what he's telling. The mind will go away, and from wherever it has gone, you pull it back. And again, Atma samstham, placing it in the Atma, nakinchidapi chinte. This is the end of sadhana. This is the last sadhana. Because when the mind is dissolved, what sadhana is there? So, we start with our offering of jal and with our puja and our japa and our havan and our seva and our bhajan and kirtan and all the various types of swadhyaya, studying the Gita and studying, various types of sadhana, singing hymns and countless sadhanas are there. But as we are going on this journey, that last sadhana is called as meditation. And that is why I am so delighted that you all could lay down this tree, plant this tree, and provide the platform for people who are ready to take that flight into the last footsteps of the self, the all overarching reality. So with these few words, I commend the committee and all the people who have taken the initiative to really make this very historic and momentous event. Hari Om, Sai Ram.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jano Samrakshak Bhakta Jano Samrakshak Parti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shivarena Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpalatika Ashrita Kalpalatika Apar Bandhava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Gurudevam Mariyantayuneve Swami Mariyantayuneve Nara Brahma Jagannatha Nara Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shena Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Om Jai Sri Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Aarati Anduko Mangala Aarati Anduko Mandara Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva Mangalam Guru Devaya Mangalam Jnanadayine Mangalam Partivasaya Mangalam Satya Saine Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Let all beings in all the worlds be happy. Let there be peace, peace, peace. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki.
Asato man sadgamaya tamaso man jyotirgamaya nrutyorma amrutam असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा
ममोपात्त समस्त दुरितक्षय द्वारा श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम अस्मिन् शुभ मुहूर्ते ज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थम श्री सद्गुरु प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थम इदं वटवृक्षं प्रतिष्ठापयामि प्रतिष्ठापयामि प्रतिष्ठापयामि
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
ओम योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति हरि ओम पुष्पं समर्पयामि
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय
प्रातस्मरामि त्रिदिशं स्फुरदात्मतत्त्वं सच्चित्सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुयि स्वप्नजागरसुषुप्तमवैति नित्यं तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसम्भवः प्रातर्भजामि मनसा वचसामगम्यम् वाचो विभान्ति निखिलायदनुग्रहेण यन्नेति नेति वचनैर्निगमावोचुः तं देवदेवमजमच्युतमाहुरग्र्यम् प्रातर्नमामि तमसः परमर्कवर्णम् पूर्णं सनातनपदं पुरुषोत्तमाख्यं यस्मिन्निदं जगदशेषमशेषमूर्तौ रज्ज्वाम्भुजङ्गम इव प्रतिभासितं वै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
अमृतं गमय
जो